In the morning. Oh my god, this morning. See what I do. Girls, wake up, girls, wake up. It's morning. Go. Ah! God. Oh my god. Oh, I forgot this morning. Get ready. Just go get your. Just let's go downstairs real quick so that I can make some breakfast for you. Okay. Wait a second, girls. I still need to change Zoe's diaper. Then add a little bit of powder. Ew. Wipes. Okay, girls, let's go. Okay. By the way, sorry about this. This might take a while because I'm on my laptop. So yeah. Anyway, continuing with the role play. And by the way, I kind of redesigned my house. If you're wondering why everything is misplaced. Anyway, starting with. I kind of want stairs now. Yeah, same. This elevator is so long. Mm-hmm. Sorry about that. I just said sub. Feel like it's still early to be doing this. I know it's a little early, girls, but yes. I'm just gonna put you in your high chair and I'll just put this on the floor. So, where is the frying pan in here? I forgot to add the frying pan. Sorry about this. I accidentally forgot to add the frying pan, so silly me. Anyway. Okay, let me just put the frying pan there. Let me get some eggs. Turn it on. Then. Aha, yes. Now I'm just gonna put this frying pan here. Okay, now let me get some bread. Gimme, la 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 la. Anyway, oh no, there's only one slice of bread. Yeah, okay. Let me get Alice's bowl. And let me get a plate for Ashley. To move her. I'm struggling. Okay, so Alice, what would you like to drink? Some lemonade, Coca-Cola, water, or strawberry juice? Strawberry juice, please. Okay. Okay, got strawberry juice. No, move. Move. I already ate like last night, so I don't have to eat. Okay. There's so much baby food. Wait a minute. How about some carrot baby food? That might sound gross, but yeah. Okay, next I'm gonna get bottle. Let's put this bottle in the, oh no, 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 I'm not. Sorry, I did not mean to put okay. I'm struggling. Turn it off. Duh. Okay, there you go. I'm done feeding you. Oh my gosh, I forgot about her. Um, Ashley, what would you like to drink? Just some milk. Okay. Okay, now girls, now just eat, girls. This is yum. This looks yummy. By the way, when I say, this is yummy, that's not my voice, that is my acting voice. Sorry. Okay, here comes the airplane, Zoe. Ooh, yum, 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 yum. Okay, I'm just gonna collect this. And I'm gonna put them in the dishwasher. Wow, this is wow. Okay, what should I pack for their packed lunch? This is gonna be their lunch. So this is Alice's lunch box. If you're wondering which ones is there, I'll give her some orange juice, an orange juice box I meant. Now I'm gonna get Ashley's box. Ashley loves bananas. That's why she chose yellow bananas, yellow. Okay, that made no sense, but if you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm just restocking my fridge because I don't like seeing it empty. This might take a while, but if you're watching this, you can just skip the video. I mean, skip ahead in this video. Oh, struggling. By the way, if you're wondering where I got this banana, I got it from the dog pet area, pet hotel thing. Yeah. Okay, girls, go take a bath. I'm gonna wait here. Okay. Let's change to diapers. So who's going first? Definitely not me. Fine, I'll go first. I'm gonna get the bubbles. Bubbles! Oh, come in, sis. It's not cold or hot. Ah, okay. It's a little cold, but yeah, I can handle this. Scabby dub dub, scabby dubby dub. Dooby dooby dee, la 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 la. No. I'm gonna brush my teeth now. I'm gonna, yeah, I'll brush my teeth too, I guess. Let me put some toothpaste. As you can see, uh, uh, Ashley, this girl right here, she loves yellow and bananas because literally everything's yellow. The toothpaste is yellow. The toothbrush is yellow. Anyway, turn this thing on. By the way, these electric toothbrushes turn on. Even this one. Me first. Oh, come on. I was gonna do that. Oh gosh, I am so cold. Yeah, so cold. Mom, it's safe to go to the bathroom. Oh. Thank you. So right now I am just taking Zoe a bath because of course she's a newborn baby. She isn't capable of taking a bath herself. And I will use the baby shampoo on her because as you can see she has a little hair. Yeah, just a little, not much. Then I just slowly rub her. Yeah, I'm getting out of these diapers. Same. Okay, girls, come on, let's go. I don't want you girls to be late for school. Okay, mommy. Struggling. Hey, hey, Alice. Yeah? Did you forget to tell mom the sleepover? Oh yeah, mom. Me and Ashley were wondering if we could have a sleepover later. Okay. Yes. We're gonna fight all our friends. Girls, get ready, and while you're doing that, I'm gonna send the sleepover invitations into your friends' moms. Yes! We have the best mom ever. Yeah. I was gonna say we have the best mom ever. Yeah, I forgot what to say again. You're silly. I'll see if I have everything in here. Controller, eraser. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I have everything in here. Put that in there. Put it here. Okay, come on, let's go. Wait up. Gosh, you're slow. Mommy, we're ready. Just in time. I just finished sending all your friends' moms the party invitation. Oh, okay. Waiting, da ba la da ba dee. Waiting, da ba da ba da ba dee. Waiting,